Satsakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Sri Maitreya said, "My dear Vidul, when Dhruva Maharaj heard the encouraging words of the great sages, he performed the Arkamana by touching water, and then took up his arrow made by Lord Nārāyaṇ and fixed it upon his bow." Dhruva Maharaj was given a specific arrow made by Lord Nārāyaṇ himself, and he now fixed it upon his bow to finish the illusory atmosphere created by the yaksas. As it is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, "Mam eva ye prapadyante mayam etam taranti te." Without Nārāyaṇ, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, no one is able to overcome the action of the illusory energy. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has also given us a nice weapon for this age, as stated in the Bhagavatam. Sangopangastra in this age, the Nārāyaṇastra, or weapon to drive away Maya, is the chanting of the Hare Krishna mantra in pursuance of the associates of Lord Caitanya, such as Advaita Prabhu, Nityananda, Gadara and Srivasa.